Welcome to Little Luxuries with Lynn. My name is Lynn Marie. Thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be going through and opening up, unboxing Paradise Delivered. All right, well, I paid $39.99 for this box. If you pay for upfront for 3 months, you save $5. And if you pay upfront for 6 months, you save $15. And this was inspired by tropical vacations and wanting to provide warmth, happiness to the mind, body, and spirit. They encourage subscribers to slow down with this hectic life we live and treat ourselves the way we deserve to be treated. So inside here should be some luxurious little items. Let's get into it. So when you open it up, there's the tissue paper. Okay. All right. And there are all the items. All right, we'll go through it and see what we find. There is a card here on top. Tells me of different items and their values. I always appreciate knowing the value of the items as well. Okay, to start with, we have Feel Free Repairing Hand Cream, sweet almond oil, orange oil, chamomile extract, and vitamin E. I think this will smell really nice. Yeah, oh, I smell the citrus. It smells very nice, and it sinks right in. It's not greasy at all. Very nice, and that's a full size, it looks like. It's 2.5 fluid ounces. All right, then the next item, and I don't know how to pronounce this. Purine cream-filled vanilla wafers. And this value is $4 on this tin of treats. Now the hand cream, I forgot to mention, this is an $18 value. Okay, next is, let's see, what do I have here? Oh, this looks like the candle. Herbal Honey Candle by Sunset Park. Look at the tin. It's really pretty. A little Moroccan feeling. Yeah. This all-natural, slow-burning candle in a decorative tin has a clean and alluring floral and aromatic scent. And the value on this candle is $16. It's very clean scent. It's lovely. That is very nice. Okay. Let's see. Now, here we have something from Ava and Chris. Meg Ruby Red Snake Purse. Oh, there's something inside them too. This is vegan leather. But the snake pattern is really done well. Yeah. Oh, it's a chain in here. Okay. This would be perfect for a night out when you just need to take a couple cards and maybe a lipstick or compact with you. Yeah, that's plenty long to take as a shoulder bag, or you could even do crossbody. This is a really nice little clutch. Yeah, very nice. Okay. And that is a $38 value. Okay. And now we're going to pull out Think Straight Pure Essential Oil Remedy. Okay, let's find that on here. Oh, it's a roller ball by the company called Way of Will. I'll take it out of the box here. Nourish your mind and body with this pure essential oil remedy. Infused with black pepper and basil essential oils to relieve stress, white lavender and Roman chamomile essential oils help to calm anxiety. Wow, that's wonderful. Okay. Wayofwill.com. I smell the black pepper. I smell chamomile as well. Yeah. It's a really nice roller ball. It's a metal one, but the outside is a glass dark container to keep the essential oils. There we go. Yeah, that is nice. That's to help relax. And that is, oh goodness, that's a retail value of $29. Wow. Okay. And the next item is Molly Jacob Dazzling Illuminator. Give your skin a soft and natural looking glow. Can be added to your foundation, primer, moisturizer, or simply used on its own. Okay. And this retails value at $26. Okay, so it's in a squeeze tube. Nice size, because you don't use a whole lot. You just add it in. It's nice. It's a solid 1 fluid ounce. All right. Let's see. And then, oh, this is lovely. By Avani, Dead Sea Cosmetics, Dead Sea Mineral Mud. Look at that. That's a huge package. Wow. This therapeutic mineral mud is extracted in its natural, unprocessed state directly from the Dead Sea. The mud is rich in minerals and naturally active ingredients including magnesium, potassium, calcium, and zinc, and has been widely utilized since ancient times to promote healthy, vibrant skin. Apply the mud in a thick layer over the body, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. A favorite spa treatment of the Paradise Delivered team, and this is a $20 value. This would do your whole body. There's that much in here. This is wonderful. Okay, looks like we should have one more item, and it is made by Lily Sky. Yep, Lily Sky Avery 4-piece layering bracelet set. Oh, are these beautiful? Oh, look at these. Those are real pretty. One is all gold, one is gold with pink quartz-like beads. I'm not sure if it's showing up like pink, but it is. Okay, that's those two. And these other two are tied in here. So I'll show them to you this way. Yeah. Okay, so there's two more bracelets there. Can you see the one has a gold disc on it and the other is just a chain? Yeah. That's a cute set. It says this playful yet sophisticated layering set includes a braided chain bracelet and a hammered charm bracelet, both with lobster claw clasp and length extender, plus 2 gold beaded stretch bracelets, one with a lucky elephant accent charm. Now, I didn't see that. Oh, there he is. There he is. Do you see that little elephant on there? Isn't he darling? I'm putting these on right away. These are really nice. I like to layer up my bracelets. I'm guilty of wearing several at one time. So yeah, that little elephant, is he cute as ever? Huh, they look nice together. So when I'm looking at all of this entire box, retail value of $203. You definitely get your money's worth out of these boxes. And this one was $39.99. This was the June 2021 box. And here it says, win your next box. Post a photo of your box on Instagram or Facebook and tag Paradise Delivered. They pick a winner each month. So that'd be really nice to win your first box or your next box. Well, I'll be definitely ordering this again because I think I'm going to really enjoy this. I think that's going to be one of my favorite items out of this box. Well, thanks for sitting by and watching me unbox this box. You take care.